Time 6:48 for Scott. 6:4. He found that line. He's in the top. Wes McCoy from Van, West Virginia. On a Honda. Pennsylvania on a Honda. They're all looking to beat 612.
Nice.
Cross the top finger and through the light.
Nice.
Time 7:2.
One that he had every intention of winning at Jefferson, Pennsylvania for the 4th year in a row. On his opening run, he broke the 6-second barrier with a 5.8-second blast. Glendale Petty's 6.38-second effort put him 4th behind Robert Templeton in the order, but it was good enough to give Petty the series points lead. Look at that monster of a hill. Defending series champ James Large was in the runner-up spot as he prepared for his second pass of the day, but he had early trouble off the start and wasn't able to improve his time of 6.11 seconds. Willie Price, your winner, will drive for 5 when the Hillclimbers return to Jefferson later this year.
It's kind of like I don't know what to do, you know what I mean? But it's all out there. You know, I got out there straight and everything held right in there for me. So, you know, without it, I couldn't have done it without my sponsors.
Neither could we, Willie. Price and Large are within a point of the top spot, while round 1 winner Paul Zander finished 8th and sits 4th overall. Willie Price made it look easy, while others showed just how hard this hill in Jefferson can be. All the crashing not only gave the riders a few headaches, but caused problems for track officials as well.
Last rider went up and ran over my timing light. We're having a rough day with equipment here. We've lost 2 voltmeters and now tripod on each side and the timing light here. So we're going to try and make do somehow and get a light on a post here and see if we can get this thing going again.
Well, that'll happen. The crew worked diligently and the racing resumed shortly thereafter. In the 540 class, number 1 Paul Pincinall posted a 6.31 on his first attempt, but that was only good enough for 2nd place in the overall. Last year, Ted Wilkins won the Jefferson Hill Climb, but broke his back when he crashed after the finish line. This year, he drilled his Rotax-powered bike to a 6.12-second blast, good enough to make him 2 for 2 in 98. Does that mean his back is fully pain-free?
Not really. I'm good enough to race, but I still can't do dishes yet.
Yeah, go ahead, Ted. Milk that one as long as you can. We won't tell anyone. As for the points, the Canadian is up by 5 over Pincinall, heading into the next round this weekend at Steel City, Pennsylvania.